Open the door.
No.
Yes.
No.
We will break this door down.
Come downstairs.
Come downstairs now.
We didn't do anything wrong.
Fort Myers, Florida, October 2024, a 911 call about blood on the walls and an excuse that starts with a dog. It's just after 1 in the morning. A 17-year-old girl calls 911 more than once, saying her sister's boyfriend is bleeding from the head. When deputies get to the house, nobody wants to open the door, and through the window, they can already see blood on the walls.
Open the door now. Come to the door. I'm putting it in. I will break this door. Come here. Come here now. Do it now.
No, he's refusing to open the door.
I will break this door.
Are you looked in? If you are, what are you doing?
What is going on?
Open the door.
No.
Open the door.
No. There's nothing wrong.
Open the door. I will take this door off the hinges. Open the door.
Open the door.
26.
Open the door.
No.
Yes.
No.
We will break this door down. Come outside now.
No.
Come outside now.
No. There's nothing wrong.
Open the door.
No.
Open the door. I'm taking it off.
Let's switch it.
This is my final.
Let's switch it.
No. I live here and no.
Okay, open the door.
Give me a second. Yep. Ma'am, listen to me. 1 second. Let me tell you what happened. We got a domestic disturbance call where somebody was bleeding. We want to make sure all parties are okay, and your sister called. No, we're not. We're not at the wrong house. Then why don't you guys let us open? We're police. Listen, we've been banging on the door for about 15 minutes. Don't open by the door. A new blonde female is by the door.
Yeah, they're at the front door.
Yeah, the original female's back upstairs.
As of right now, we have visual on 1 adult male and 2 adult female subjects.
Yeah, they're doing it around. They're yelling too much. 10-4. They haven't opened the door yet.
Hey, Sarge, you want to take a look at this real quick? I'm not telling you it's a blood bath, but
Give it a 22.
right there where the light's shining. See where the light's shining?
Where?
See right where your light's shining. The girl, the young one, went back upstairs. She's the one that I guess called us. She came down and was sitting right here behind this ledge.
Okay.
Then he comes down.
That's all we're recording too.
What did the call notes say?
The male was supposed to be bleeding on the head. The female said she was hiding in the bathrooms, heard a verbal 22 occurring in the kitchen. He was supposed to be bleeding from the head. I don't see any blood from him. Said she was hiding in the closet upstairs. Let me go check to see if there's anything else.
I think you would have dispatcher read it out to us. We don't need to. We're going to maintain our position.
Okay, want me to have him read it out?
No. He just said that they had an argument. Stay there. Keep watching.
I have no idea. Watch out for these dogs.
Yep.
Someone have a taser or a pepper spray out for these dogs.
I got a taser.
You can open the door.
We're going to break it.
Who's got a video?
I too just have visual on back.
I too just got video.
We're going to break it. We're going to
Open
break
the
the
door.
door.
You got the visual?
Yes, we are going to break the door.
On 2.
Hands.
Are
Who's
you
got
gonna
hands?
open the door?
Who's got hands, guys?
I got it.
Back away from the door.
Back upstairs. You got both upstairs.
Why is
Sorry, let me take it up.
They're in the stack, but as soon as it's open, fall in behind me.
Yep.
Watch your hands, Sarge. Okay, all right, here we go.
Go.
Stand by. We got a whole way to my right.
Yep.
I'm going wide, I'm going wide, I'm going wide. Here. Let's lethal.
Come down now! Hands up!
I'm down. I'm good. I'm down. I'm not gonna do shit.
Come downstairs now!
I have no weapons. Nothing.
Hands up! Hands up! Keep them up! Keep them up!
Come downstairs.
I got it. Come downstairs, hands up! Hands up! Hands up! Keep them coming! 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 Female, stay there! Female, stay there!
I don't have anything. I don't have anything.
Alright, who's got hands for the female?
I got it.
Keep coming, female! Keep coming! Keep coming! Keep coming!
We
keep
haven't
coming.
done anything.
Stop right there.
I haven't done anything wrong. Literally, what am I paying for? What am I doing?
Anyone else upstairs?
My little
We don't shoot upstairs. Does anyone else
Sit right there.
No, my dog. My dog has cancer. Don't.
Sit down.
My dogs are in my bedroom. Please.
No, my dogs aren't friendly like that. My dogs aren't friendly like that.
You stay there. We tried to tell you guys to open the door. I don't know why you did it. This is gonna get resolved.
There's nothing
There's
wrong.
something going on. That girl looks terrified.
My
She looks
dog.
terrified.
No.
All you have to do is open the door.
I told her to go outside and talk.
I don't want to hear it,
She didn't
man.
want to.
We tried to get you guys to talk. You sat there and recorded. All we need to do was just open the door. That's it.
I broke the glass. There's nothing wrong.
We're sleeping. Please, man. Please.
Listen, man. We're beyond
That's
that.
my dogs, man.
We are beyond that.
Beyond what? You're ending. Kayla.
We didn't do anything wrong.
We haven't done nothing wrong. You guys are. Oh, that's crazy.
There's nothing going on.
So why did we get 5 911 calls from that girl upstairs?
Fine. Cass.
There's nothing going on. We were arguing. That was
Dude, you stood
it.
right here. You stood right here. Open that door. Make sure you can close it and lock it. How's that look to us standing outside? You could have opened the door. We could have had a simple conversation.
Yes, but every
We
time
could have had a simple conversation.
I cleared the other.
No, it wasn't going to be aggressive. We would have had a simple point next to you right there.
See, I worked 80 hours to sit. That was
nothing.
Sit down.
That has nothing to do with person contact.
Sit down.
I'm in handcuffs. We're both in handcuffs.
All right, do this. Take her to the car.
No,
Put her in the car.
I'm talking to my mom. I'm not walking through the glass with bare feet. No, I'm not walking through the glass with bare feet. I have no shoes on. Give me some shoes. I didn't do anything wrong.
You're up.
No, I'm not. What did I do?
Dude, it's fucking glass, bro. Come on, dude.
What is going on?
You're being detained.
For what? What is going on?
325. We're secure for lead control.
I'm not aggressive at all, man. Not aggressive. No, I'm just making sure our safety is paramount.
I've done nothing wrong. I don't know why you're so aggressive.
We refuse to open the door because there's nothing wrong.
Get in the
My
car.
dog
Get in
has
the car
cancer. That's the reason why.
Anything going on right now?
Just sit in the car.
Yes, that's why there's blood on the wall because my dog has
Right,
freaking
listen to me.
cancer.
Inside the car right now.
I'm not getting in the car. I didn't
Okay.
do anything wrong. I was sleeping.
Get in the car. I'm going to put you in the car.
We're gonna push in.
I don't even have shoes on.
All right, what was your first name?
Kayla.
Kayla, I'm Deputy Mono with the Sheriff's Office. I want to have a conversation with you about what happened here tonight. Before I do that, I'm going to read you your rights, okay? Can you hear me okay?
Yes.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in court. You have the right to talk to a lawyer for advice before we ask you any questions and to have him with you during questioning. If you cannot afford a lawyer, one will be appointed for you before any questioning if you wish. If you decide to answer questions without a lawyer present, you will still have the right to stop answering at any time. You also have the right to stop answering at any time until you talk to a lawyer. Do you understand each of these rights if I explain them to you?
Yes.
With these rights in mind, you wish to talk to me now.
No.
That combination, a bleeding victim, a refusal to open up, blood visible from outside, is exactly the kind of situation the law lets police act on without waiting for a warrant. Under Brigham City versus Stewart, a 2006 Supreme Court decision, officers can enter a home without a warrant if they have an objectively reasonable basis to believe someone inside needs immediate help. That's the emergency aid exception. So deputies force the door. Inside, an adult male with a gash on the back of his head, 2 women, and zero explanation anyone wants to give. Here's where it gets strange. The blood on the walls? According to the couple, it's not from a person at all. It's from the dog. Because the dog, they say, has cancer. One story, one dog, one convenient diagnosis that happens to explain blood on a wall, a floor, and a bathroom, all discovered the same night a teenager called 911 in a panic. Deputies don't buy it either. Both adults are detained, barefoot, walking through broken glass from the door they refuse to open. One of the women has read her rights and asked if she wants to talk. She says no. That silence is a right, the same one from every arrest scene you've ever seen on television. Here, it's used exactly the way it's meant to be used. Neither of them talks, not to deputies. And the sister who actually made the calls? Even she won't give an official statement, even though everything she said is already on the recording. That puts Florida's domestic violence procedure into play. When officers can't identify who the primary aggressor was, the practical result is simple. Both parties go. Not because it's convenient, because nobody in the house is willing to say what actually happened.
Just sit tight. Okay. Well, I'm Deputy Mine with the Sheriff's Office. All right, we got quite a few 911 calls here tonight saying that there was somebody bleeding.
Okay.
So we come here, all right. We're not trying to knock on the door. Don't want to come to the door. We look inside, we can see blood on the wall. All right.
You seen blood on the wall?
Yes, ma'am. The young man has a pretty good sized gash on the back of his head. All right. One of the young ladies came downstairs. She's crying. Something's going on in this house. Again, the type of 911 calls we're getting over and over again. All right. Due to the circumstances, we need to make sure everybody's okay. So we got our way into the house. They agitated. Okay.
Yeah, I was
so
on the phone
right
with them
now, nobody's under arrest. Right now, they're just being detained.
Okay.
Okay. EMS came and checked him out. He declined to any treatment. All right. That's all we have right now.
Okay.
All right. The front door window was broken.
Yeah. I was on the phone with this whole
Are you
transaction.
Lori?
Yeah.
I was literally just about to call you.
Yeah, I was on the
Okay.
phone while this whole thing was happening when they broke the door when he with all
Did
the
he describe that? I guess Tyler was like full of blood.
No, he didn't tell me
No,
that.
So Kat,
He told me,
yeah.
Cass
Sorry.
told me that his face was full of blood, and that's why she called. And I don't know if he told you, when we get calls like that, we can't just leave.
Understood.
Right? We got to make sure that everybody's okay. And the way that Cass came downstairs, it not only concerned me, but it concerned everybody.
Understood.
So we just got to make sure that she's okay. And she went right upstairs. So we don't know if something happened to her or.
So she just moved here?
Yeah, like 2 weeks ago.
She's got abusive parents, alcoholic parents,
Right.
all of that.
So we're still gathering.
She moved here.
We have a couple.
Get away from that.
So she's very nervous, and
Right.
I mean, I'm not saying nothing happened.
Nonetheless, something happened because he's got a good slash on
yeah,
his
I'm not
back of his
disagreeing
neck.
with you, but that, you know,
So again, right now nobody's under arrest, but we have to determine what happened.
understood.
Okay.
Yep, gotcha.
So
if we get defused it anyway, take one of them with us. We'll do that.
We'll get to all that. We still got a few more I's to dot and T's to cross.
Yeah, no issue.
But we'll
Appreciate it.
No, we appreciate you guys being so calm, cool, and collected with us.
Yeah, we wanted to
just
come
wanted
get the
get-
dogs and
get
stuff.
The dogs.
Absolutely.
With the glass
absolutely.
being broken and everything, so.
Yeah, absolutely.
right now it's covered up as best as we can get it for now. For now, please stay out of the house.
Okay.
But we'll keep you up
just
to
let
date.
us know that
Okay?
we were gonna take the dogs.
Yeah, the dogs are in, I believe, this front bedroom.
Okay, yeah.
So they're not free roaming or nothing.
Okay.
I'm assuming you're Lori?
Yeah.
Okay, you might get a phone call, it's gonna be one,
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was like, hey, are you Lord?
Did they explain to you guys what's happening?
Yes.
Yes.
Did they explain to you why we busted the door?
Yes. Yeah. No,
do you have any questions for us?
Just real quick, there's exceptions to entering a residence without a warrant. If anyone's in imminent danger that we believe needs help, we have a whole right to go in. With the way the call came in, with the other sister hiding, saying they're fighting, one's bleeding, us getting here from the back door, seeing blood in there on the walls, him with an injury, them refusing to open the door, we're not going to walk away from We got to make sure someone's kill somebody or someone's hurt. So that's what we have right now. We're just taking photographs of the inside of the residence because there's blood downstairs, there's blood upstairs, there's blood in the bathroom. So we're documenting that.
Okay.
At this point, neither one of them are wanting to really talk. We're going to give them another opportunity to see if they want to tell us what happens. If neither one of them want to talk, they're both going to jail. Because in the state of Florida with domestic violence, if us can't determine who the primary aggressor is, then they both go. So that's just the way it is. So we're going to talk to them, but from up to this point, neither one of them will tell us anything that happened. So
Going to the third party.
yeah, one of the sisters, she won't give us a statement, even though she's the one that we have everything she said on recording. But she still don't want to. I understand it's her sister. She don't want to see her get in trouble, I guess, but whatever. But we have to make sure when we leave here that no one's going to get hurt.
Yeah, we can take somebody home with us too. We live in Cape Coral, so if whatever to diffuse the situation or whatever.
So that's where we're at. So we're just going to be a few more minutes and we'll.
All right, thank you.
And depending on the outcome,
Let me interrupt before we even get to that part. I don't know how long they've been together, this and that.
10 years.
Like my captain just said, is if you want to speak to him real quick, I'll give you about 3 seconds to talk to him to be like, hey, just be honest and tell him, because we are going to probably go on the field of Baltimore if no one's going to talk. And that's just how it is.
Both are ultimately charged with domestic battery under Florida Statute, Chapter 784.03, plus resisting arrest without violence under Chapter 843.02. In plain terms, physical contact against a family or household member and refusing to comply once officers act. Together, that's up to 2 years in jail, 24 months of probation, and $2,000 in fines. The lesson here isn't about the dog. It's this: when police respond to a domestic violence call and can't determine who started it, staying silent doesn't make the case disappear. It just means the decision gets made without your side of the story. The officers get a B+. They didn't rush the door, they escalated only after visible blood, and a flat refusal to open up left them no real choice. Under the emergency aid exception, that call holds up. The couple gets an F, a visible injury, blood in 3 rooms, and a story that blamed a dog for all of it. Refusing to explain anything to the people trying to determine if someone was actually in danger didn't protect them. It built the case against them. If you want more body cam breakdowns, the calls that don't go the way anyone inside the house expects, hit subscribe. And tell us in the comments, do you believe the dog?